This is Geography, Class 8, Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources. A case study is given here that mamba and feeder stay in two different parts of the world and lead very different lives. Mamba's family is living in a small village in Tanzania, Africa, and owns is a piece of rocky land. They can barely grow some maize and beans, but that is not enough to feed the family for the whole year. While Fetters live in New Zealand, his family run a wool factory. Their sheep yard is situated on a wide grassy plain. It is equipped with latest technology. Memba is not going to school while Fetter is a student. Members get up early in the morning to fetch water. She then helps her mother in the house and joins her brother in taking care of their goats. The difference is because of the differences in the quality of land, soil, water, natural vegetation, animals, and uses of technology are important factors in controlling the standard and way of life. Next is land. Meaning of land: the surface of the earth, which is solid and cover about 30% of the total surface of the earth, is called land. It is not suitable for living everywhere. Parts of land not suitable for living are said to be inhabitable, while the ones where people live are said to be habitable. The human requirement obtained from land are food, crops, clothing, wood for fuel, construction, and housing. That's why land is most important natural resources. Water is found in abundance on the planet Earth. It covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. It says the Earth appears blue from space and hence called a blue planet. Some factors affecting the inhabitability of a place are topography, that is the natural and physical factors or characteristics of an area, that is up and downs of the land, the steep slopes of the mountain. They are often undesirable area for development due to difficulties of area, height from sea level, climate, fertility of soil, vegetation, etc. People cannot live in dense forests or in a desert area. They cannot live in low-lying area where there is possibility of floods and underlocking. These areas are normally sparsely populated or uninhabited. Plains and river valley offer suitable land for agriculture. So most of the world population lives in such area, and these areas are heavily populated. Land use: the purpose and way in which land is used is called land use. Land is most important resources for human being. Land use may be for agriculture, forestry, mining, that is the removal of minerals and metal from earth. Iron ore, gold, silver, diamond are some examples of mining. Building houses, roads, setting up of industries, or various other purposes. Land use pattern. Factors determining the land use include physical factors like topography, availability of water, climate, minerals, soil, etc., or human factors like demography, that is, population pattern, technology, and education. Land usually has Land usually has ownership, that is private land, and community land. Private land is owned by an individual, like a house is a private land. Community land is used by anyone in the society, like land for collection of fodder, fruits, medicinal herbs, wood, etc. Population is always growing at a fast pace and their demand are increasing day by day, but the availability of land is limited. People started encroaching the common land to build commercial area, housing complexes in the urban area, and to expand the agricultural land in the rural area. Today, the vast change in the land use pattern also reflect the cultural change in our society. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threat to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. This much for today.